This is a video with my most attractive client, and I'm Mr. DUI. And when you hire Mr. DUI, you remember the song, "You don't get a DUI," right?
Yes.
You hire Mr. DUI, you don't get a DUI.
Yes.
And so let's go over some of the facts in your case. The cop stops you because he says there's something wrong with your light, and so he uses it as an excuse to stop you. It's actually the time of night and so forth that he's bored.
Mm-hmm.
And he pulls you over, and then of course he smells some alcohol, and he says, "Did you drink?" And you, being an honest citizen and don't know your constitutional rights, you said, "Oh yes, I drank." And that means, of course, the slippery slope down.
Mm-hmm.
And but before you did that, he gave you the monkey test to do, which now you know you'll never do.
Which is a
You'll
lot
never
like
do
the Karate Kid.
the monkey test
Don't do it.
as long as you are not on criminal probation, ever. And then he conned you into thinking that the handheld was the breath machine, and so and that's our biggest problem is the handheld, and 99% of the people blow in it, so we know how to get rid of it. And so you blew in the handheld, and you blew .124, and that's high because of course the legal limit is 7, and now there's a new 05, but we never lost to that, so let's stick with the one everybody knows about. The 0708. So 08's the first illegal digit, so the last legal number is 7. 2 times 7 is 14, and when you are up there with a .124, then they really, got this girl, and you were falling over drunk according to them on that field test. I know they're lying patooties, but anyway, that's what they like to say, and so down to the station with you. And then you blew a .11 basically in the station with a bigger machine, and now they have a solid case, right? They think they have a high alcohol level here, high alcohol level there. They had a legitimate reason to approach you, they feel, and so they feel that what's to talk about. But you don't have a DUI when you hire Mr. DUI. Now, tell me how that affects your life,
To not have a DUI?
to not have a DUI in your record.
Well, I don't have to eat ramen noodles for the next 6 months of my life because of the hefty fines associated with the DUI, for one. It's going to be a lot better on a job application to not have a DUI. Anything pretty much I do for the next 10 years. The probation time is less, so I don't have to be looking over my shoulder and living in fear for the next 10 years
Yeah.
over one drink.
Right. Also, the less involvement, because you're an attractive young woman, the less involvement you have with police officers, the better. For those
Sounds good.
reasons that we know about that are very sad in San Diego. And the main thing is that you will be able to get employment and presumably good employment if you reach that point in your life where you want to stop doing what you're doing now and get into the mainstream business field. In other words, you want to have the ability to say for yourself what you want. You don't want somebody else to say you can't do this. And now that's what we're doing, is to help to clean up your record. And you're not going to drink anymore and drive.
No.
And so you won't be back in my office. Boo,
And I
that's
will
too
always
bad.
fix my taillights. It's not worth saving the $10.
Yeah, that's right. So that's cute. So would you recommend, first of all, can we use this video to show other people that are stopped for drunk driving?
Sure, yeah. Just don't use my name, but yeah, 100%. And Mr. DUI does what he says he's going to do. It's awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank
And
you.
we really
Thank you.
appreciate you, and you're one of our nicest clients.
Yeah.
Thank you for working so hard.
Thank you, Sean.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Give him a hug. Oh, thank you. Thank you.